Everyone, in this video, we will talk about Voice Mod versus Magic Mic. Both Voice Mod and Magic Mic are popular real-time voice changers used for gaming, streaming, and content creation. Now, some of its key differences are: first, for the ease of use. On Voice Mod, it is user-friendly but requires setup, while on the Magic Mic, it is very easy and quick to set up. On the real-time voice changing. On the Magic Mic, yes, it has a real-time voice changing, the same with the Voice Mod. Now for AI voice effects. On Voice Mode, yes, with customizable voices. Also with the Magic Mic, yes, but fewer customization options. On the voice library, on Magic Mic first, it has a 120 plus voices, while on the Voice Mod, it only has a 100 plus voices. Now, for the pricing. On the Voice Mod, it has a free and pro version, while on the Magic Mic, it has a one-time purchase and subscription options. Now, some of its pros and cons. First, for the Voice Mod. First is pros for Voice Mod. More customization. It creates unique voices with Voice Lab or the Pro version. Second, AI voice cloning. It has an advanced AI-driven voice effects. Next is great app integration. Works well with Discord, Twitch, OBS, and more. Lastly, active community and support. Frequently updated with new voices. Now some of its cons are: first, the subscription model for Pro. It requires ongoing payments for full features. Next is more complex setup, can be tricky for beginners. Lastly, it is limited Mac support, mostly Windows focused. Now for the Magic Mic, some of its pros are: first, easier to use, simple interface with quick setup. Next one-time purchase option, no need for a subscription. Next, good Mac support. Works on both Windows and Mac. And lastly, more voices in free version. Offers more free voices than the Voice Mod. Now some of its cons are: first, less customization. No custom voice creation like Voice Mod's Voice Lab. Next is limited AI features. Fewer AI-powered voices compared to Voice Mod. And lastly, fewer integrations. Might not work as seamlessly with all apps. Now, which one should you choose? Choose Voice Mod if you want AI-powered customization, better app integration, and frequent updates. It is best for serious gamers, streamers, and content creators. Now, choose Magic Mic if you prefer a simpler, more affordable solution with one-time purchase options, especially if you use Mac. And that's basically it.